Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Caddirect tutorial how to use hedge gradient. For example, I will create a rectangle, and if you want to apply hedge gradient into this rectangle, type hedge, press enter, and be sure for hedge and gradient dialog box. Click on gradient tab, and then you can choose the color. In here we set in a two color. So for the first color, I will set into green, and the second color is set into blue. To apply in the rectangle, I will use this add peak internal points. You can click, then click inside the rectangle, press enter. You also can set for the type in here. You can set to center points or side on side or in the center like cylinder. I will click at this option and click OK to apply. To edit this hedge gradient, you can click and double click. I'll be show again hedge and gradients dialog box. I will set the first color into red color. Click OK, and then OK again to apply. Okay, that's it for basic Caddirect tutorial how to create hedge gradient. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.